So I think because everyone is thinking about MiCA, looking at it coming into play with its level 2 regulatory technical standards, what Gibraltar can really think about is how can it achieve that parity with MiCA? So how can it employ its principles-based regulation and really have that common standard as well. So taking the principles that Gibraltar has and the principles that the EU has and merging them so that when a European country looks at a business that's registered in Gibraltar, it says, yes, I recognize those common global principles. They're holding them to high standards, and that's a business that I can trust.
But why would a startup, let's say a DLT startup, want to come to Gibraltar as opposed to anywhere else in Europe that is applying the MiCA standards?
So I think that you have hit on one part of it already, which is that Gibraltar has been working on their DLT framework for a really long time. MiCA will not come into force yet for another couple of years, 12 to 18 months for some of those technical standards. So if Gibraltar can provide that regulatory certainty in the meantime, but also show that it's taking other global frameworks like MiCA and the UK's into consideration, that makes it a really attractive place for businesses.